Mr. Adesanwo. Mr. Adesanwo.
I am Babatunde Adesanwo by name, and I'm a teacher in the junior section of Remo Secondary School, and I teach mathematics. Let me say this. In fact, it's a daily thing, and each time I go out, because where I taught before, I taught Remo High School for 8 years, and I produced a lot of graduates. And anytime I go out, maybe I go to the market to buy something, or I go to an event, maybe a social event, or even a church, I do see some of my students, and the kind of accolade they pass, on me, makes me feel fulfilled. Some of them will come to me, will greet me, some will even look for me, come to my school. I've heard of a situation where a student who graduated, who left Remo High School as a boarder, because I happen to be a boarding house master, saw the way I took them, recommended me to his mother that his younger sister should be taken to wherever they posted me to. And by the grace of God, that girl is in Remo Secondary School today because of my antecedents with the brother. So I think it's a memorable thing, because if I'm not upward, if I'm not upright in my teaching, if I've not done the right thing, of course, that boy wouldn't have recommended me to his mother that wherever Mr. Adesanwo is, take my sister there, because I know she will be given the right education. Every intending teacher must be competent, must be serious-minded about this profession, and must be readily available to teach at every point in time. So I've always told my students that because I thought when I was a little child, my dream in life is to become a professor, though I'm still pursuing it, and by the grace of God, I'm going to get to that level. So I've always prayed, and I've always advised my students that there's no limit to what you can get to in life. And that is why when I teach as if there is something that has to do with that my teaching tomorrow. So I advise my students, I want them to be in all aspects, in all areas of profession in the world. And I've been seeing some of them. I have living witnesses, even in the school here as a teacher. Variation. Then on inverse, we are looking at a negative reaction between two variables. That is, as one is going up, the other is coming down. So in this case, if this one is to be interpreted as an inverse variation, C varies inversely will be C varies